Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to always show the map scale in Google Maps on Android. So this is my Android device, so let's start. So first of all you have to open your Google Maps. So let me open mine. So let me tap on this Google folder. So here I have this Google Maps. So let me tap on this to open it. You can see guys it's opened, and you can see guys I don't have any map scale showing. So when I zoom in, you can see I have this map scale showing and it's now gone. And when I zoom out, you can see I have this map scale showing and it's now gone. So it's not showing always. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to always show the map scale in Google Maps. So what you need to do, you have to tap on this your profile picture icon at the top right. So let me tap on this, and then you have to tap on this settings, and I have this settings, this screen opened, and on this screen you have to scroll down to this option show scale on map, and you can see currently I have this option set when zooming in and out. So in order to change that, you have to tap on this show scale on map. So let me tap on this, and I have this pop-up show scale on map, and here we have two options, when zooming in and out and always. So currently I have this first option selected, so you have to select this second option, always. So just tap on this radio button. Let me tap on this, and you can see show scale on map, and I have this always option set. So let me go back, and you can see I have this maps opened, and you can see I have this map scale showing. And if I zoom in, you can see it's showing and it's not going away. And also when I zoom out, you can see it's showing. So it's now showing always. So it's now done guys. So that's it. In this way you can easily always show the map scale in Google Maps on Android. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.